Wash the sink line. Look at that, the water is very strong. That's free water from the river. It's connected from the river. Wash it and then I will be cooking it, and then we'll make cassava wine. Cassava wine. Okay. So huge. Yeah, we're very lucky here because the water is free. We will not need to pay it. Unlike if you're in the city, of course you are charged. So there are more. Maybe this first batch. So we'll be cooking. I think I have a little bowl. Have to use gloves. We are preparing cassava. We need to peel off the skin and then we will wash and then cook it. And then we will apply the powder, bubud powder, to make cassava. Okay, you put it there, we'll continue. Give me the knife. I don't really give it. Shot gun good bon. Saan yat gun?
Nakataman orkestra.
Tula ta. Tula din sa igipan. Then we will cook it in the firewood there. Look at that. We'll cook it there because it is stronger. The fire is stronger than in the electric. Okay, I will cut. I will help to peel off the skin. Let's cook cassava. But it's very mature. It's okay, maybe it's okay. Cook this first batch, and then after this, maybe two batch. This. Okay. Let's bring it there at the fire. Wood. Here, let's bring it there. And then cook. Don't worry, it's clean. Chug. There's Tulare. Sudah man sa baru?
Oh.
Let's check again if the cassava so not yet. Why the color changed? It's boiling. I think it's okay. I think the fire is fine. Okay. Let's wait. Maybe 30 minutes more with continuous fire. And then tomorrow we'll cook the others again. That and that 2 sacks of cassava. It will cook here so that it will be faster than in the the stove. Okay, let's go back. So you can get cook. I think this is done. Okay, 1 minute. It's done. Wait. So now let's close it. Okay, just remove the socket. The last batch of cooked cassava. Cooling off it. Done. Like. Sina. Wash my hands. So no worries. Get in.
Yeah, a bit in.
Wait, let one nabubungay. Yum. And then we will apply bubud. Yes, or yes powder. Bubud in kung kanay. Ba't sama tos usay niya?
Na.
Ngabayan siya bubud. Ura. Tipid. Tipid ay ibaras na. Last batch sana. Let's eat. This is our bread here in the province. Coffee. Early morning. It's either kamote or cassava. This is cassava. White cassava. Let's eat. It's yummy. These are left for with the ones that we prepared for wine. It's like a bread. Our bread here in the province. Together with coffee, chia seeds. It's how to make cassava. They're applying yeast. These are cooked cassava. We place it in the banana leaves. Then we will cover it with cellophane. We will put it in a container. I'm eating this one. It's nice with coffee. With coffee. I think I will get extra for coffee tomorrow. Gusto mong isa? Maybe that's enough. Close, and then we'll close it. Cover with banana leaves. Have to cover it very well so that the water will not leak. Tali. Tali ko.
Nagputay na. Tempo ako na.
So as the water will not, the water of the cassava will not leak, and then they will just cover like that, and then wait for 2 to 3 days, and you can open it and then eat it. That's it. Just wait for, we will wait for 2 to 3 days to mature, to water. Then just leave there for, we will be living there for 2 to 3 days until the cassava will produce water substance that will form as a cassava wine, and then we can also eat the cassava itself. That's it. We'll wait for 2 days or 3 days before tasting. Okay. And no more. I think it lasts a bunch. Cassava, fermented cassava, then rice. This is the last batch. Rice wine. Very nice. The rice wine and cassava wine. This is the last batch actually. So there with the water. It's still sweet. It's a little bit bitter, but it's very nice. It's very sweet. Maybe after eating one bowl of this, I will be feeling drunk. It's not the whole, that's what it looks like. I want more. That's the last. I give the others to the neighbors.